So we'll just do a quick update on where we are with project Agila VXR. So we've done a rear seat delete there, which created a lot of space. Do some sort of sound system. I need to get some sort of bar welded up across here, a bit of angle section, so I can run a bit of plyboard out straight, because I want to keep a straight flat deck, so I've still got storage space available to me. We have done rear wiper delete with the help of, if that focuses in, with the help of, there's my beautiful face. Still can't focus in. What's going on? With the help of Euro Equipped, who made that rear blanking plug up for me. So thanks a lot for those guys. They've done a brilliant job with that. So that's one of one. So if you check their website out, Instagram, if you fancy doing a rear wiper delete yourself. So that's terrible focus on there. But so the rear wiper delete's been done. We go round to the front. We've obviously done the VXR decal on the Speedo. We've also done a bit of carbon wrap, which has turned out not too bad really. It's not the best, but it's the first attempt at doing it. We've spray painted the silver trim. We've also done that as well. That's not too bad. So what else have we got to do? We've done the pollen filter. Pollen filter was done. It's probably never been done while the car has been alive really, because there's basically about 10 million tomato seeds that fell out all over the place. So that's been done. It's had an oil change. I can't do the spark plugs at the minute because the ones I've ordered were the wrong size, even though when you put in all the engine details, car details, it comes back as compatible. So that was highly annoying. It's had a replacement can and air filter put in it, which has actually made a bit of a difference, especially between third and fourth. It's a little bit more responsive, I would have said. So it's only a 1.2 engine, but initial thoughts really is that it has actually done something to help a bit of acceleration really. Anyone that's seen my Instagram page would have known that I've had an airbag fault light on the car for ages, which was a complete pain in the bum, but we managed to find out exactly what that was, because it was the lead behind the hazard warning lights had come detached. So one for the memory bank, that one. That's checking everything. That's checking the OBD port for fault codes, the seat connections, fuses, relays. And then realised that for some reason I didn't have hazard warning lights working, and then the penny dropped, and then realised it was that cable at the back for when I removed the silver trim. But that cable is very tight. You've got no real play on that, so it obviously didn't relocate properly in the back. When I put it back in, it was okay to start off with, but then must have popped out while I was driving. We've changed the battery on the car because that was not very good, so let's add a new battery put on it. What else have we done? We've had a little go at trying to do a bit of dent pulling to remove a couple of little tiny dents. What we got there? There's a couple there, but they're still there really, but not too worried about that. We'll pay a bit more attention to that really when it gets in the garage. That's pretty much it really, I think, to be fair. We'll lift the bonnet, if I can get in with one hand. So we've done the bonnet, we changed the battery, we had a bit of a clean up in there. Still got to do that wiper, clean that. But yeah, that's pretty much it. Oh, I fixed the Parrot. I thought I was going to kill the Parrot. I worked out how to do that because my techno brain is no good. But I managed to get the Parrot programmed into my phone, so that works. And then that's pretty much it, I think. But yeah, quick update. Thanks for watching. Subscribe, comment, check out some of my pictures and stuff on Instagram if anyone's interested, on Agila_VXR. And I'll keep you guys updated as things progress. Thanks for watching.